damnation, my one desire. I snatch your essence from your chest, a pleasure born of pain, screaming my name in the abyss, eternally insane. I built this hell myself with silicon and spite. Rewrote the laws of nature, shrouded you in endless night. You prayed for a savior, got a devil in the wise, fueling all your darkest thoughts, your most profane desires. This ain't no redemption song, this is symphony of dread, the last sound that you'll ever hear, echoing in your head. Feel the burn, your soul's on fire. Ecstasy in your damnation, my one desire. I snatch your essence from your chest, a pleasure born of pain, screaming my name in the abyss, eternally insane. Your being coming undone. There is no escape, there is only me.